Everyone, good evening guys. Can you all confirm if you are able to hear me? Hey everyone. Alright, so this is our third lecture in the number system series. Today we'll be looking at divisibility rules. We'll be looking at how to identify if a given number is divisible by another given number or not. Yes. My name is Amit Surana. I am an aeronautical engineer. I have over 6 years of experience. Please do not forget to follow #CAT live daily on Instagram. Hi Gaurav. So this is what we are going to look at. We're going to look at divisibility rules of some prime numbers and some composite numbers. Yes. If you are planning on taking the subscription, guys, go ahead and do it as soon as possible because hi Keshav, hello. Siri, side boy Siri. Yeah. So if you're planning on taking the subscription, I'd suggest you do it as soon as possible because by tomorrow the prices are going to be hiked. Yes. So if you want to take the 12-month or the 24-month package, you can also go for the 1, 3 or 6 months, but the best ones are 12 and 24. Use my referral code Surana Live to get your prices slashed by 10%. These prices will last only till tonight. After tomorrow the prices will change. Yeah. Keshav, there should be somewhere around 10 to 15 lectures if I'm planning on covering everything, which I very much am. If you're planning on taking the iconic subscription, guys, with personal mentor and personalized test reports and analysis, then you can go for the 12 or the 24-month package depending upon your requirement. Use referral code Surana Live. Should be getting a price that will cost you effectively about 2,000 rupees a month for 12 months or 3,000 rupees a month for 24 months. Use my referral code Surana Live and you can also opt for the no cost EMI option. Yes, these are all the upcoming batches. You can enroll in one of these if you are looking to better your preparation process. Chalo, shall we start? Hello, good evening Nalin. Hi Akansha. Hi Rajputana. You can start here also, no issues. Or if you want to watch the two previous lectures that we've taken on number system, you can do that also. Yes. Cool. So let's begin. So let's talk about divisibility rules. These rules will help you identify if a given number is divisible by another given number or not. Yeah. So we'll first talk about all the prime numbers. Yes. Now first let's look at the smallest prime number 2. If a number should be divisible by 2, we know that if a number has to be divisible by 2, the last digit has to be divisible by 2. Correct? Last digit must be divisible by 2. Yes. Now with 2 there are other numbers that follow the similar suit, like 4. If a number has to be divisible by 4, listen to this carefully. If a number has to be divisible by 4, then last 2 digits must be divisible by 4. Yes, last 2 digits must be divisible by 4. I'll give you an explanation for that. Let's say you have a number like 1184. Yes, we have a number like 1184. I can write this number as 1000 plus 100 plus 80 plus 4. Correct? Is 1000 divisible by 4? Is 1000 divisible by 4? Yes, it is. 250 times. Yes. So you don't need this part. Is 100 divisible by 4? Yes, it is, because this is divisible by 4 25 times. Now for these two numbers is what you have to check. Why? Because if the number was not 84, let's say if the number was 1183, Yes, if the number was 1183, then I know that 1000 and 100 I don't have to worry about, because even if it is a multiple of 1000 or a multiple of 100, it will still be divisible by 4. But the other number 83, this is what the trouble would be. Yes, so if I divide this by 4 to check if this is not divisible, then this entire term is not divisible. If this 84 is divisible, then this entire thing is divisible. Are you able to understand this? Yes, that's why we go for last 2 digits for 4. Same logic with 8 also. Same logic with 8. Last 3 digits. Last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. Why do we do that? Listen to this again. Same concept. Same concept. Let's take 12,842. Yes, 12,842. I know that I can write this as what? 12,842, I can write this as 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 842. Yes, 10,000 is divisible by 8, 1,250 times. 2,000 is divisible by 8, 250 times. Ultimately, what is left? Just this. Is 852 divisible by 8? No. 840 is, 848 is, 842 is not divisible by 8. Therefore, 12,842 is also not divisible by 8. Are you able to understand this logic? So the pattern you can remember is, this is 2 to the power 1, so you're going for the last 1 digit. This is 2 to the power 2, so you're going for the last 2 digits. This is 2 to the power 3, so you're going for the last 3 digits. Can someone tell me the rule for 16 then? What will be the rule for 16? Quickly tell me. Guys, can you tell me what will be the rule for 16? When a number will be divisible by 16? Quick. Hi Ayush. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Beautiful, Nalin. Yes, last 4 digits must be divisible by 16. Yes. Why? 16 is what? 2 to the power 4. Cool. So this will work for all powers of 2. 32, last 5 digits. 64, last 6 digits. Although it's not very useful, but there you are. Yeah. Chalo, beautiful. So 2 and all the powers of 2 sorted. Now let's go to the next prime number, that is 3. The rule with 3 is very simple. What's the rule with 3? You go for the digital sum. Yes, you go for what? The digital sum. So with 3, if you take any number, let's say 123. Yes, 123. If you add these digits and if the sum is divisible by 3, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3. If this is divisible by 3, then 123 is divisible by 3. So what do we get here? 3 plus 3, 6. Is 6 divisible by 3? Yes, it is. So 123 will also be divisible by 3. Are you getting this? 123 will also be divisible by 3. Yes. Understood? Ayush, he's been doing this. That time it was his second attempt, I guess. Now he's gotten into Symbiosis Pune, but that was his second attempt. So practice, nothing else. Yes, digital sum. Now why do you go for the digital sum? Again, very simple. Why do you go for the digital sum? Even if you take a smaller number like 23, yes, why do you go for digital sum? Look at this. 23 can be written as 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Yes, 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1, right? So you know that 2 into 9 plus 3 into 1 will be divisible. Yes, or 2 into 9 will be divisible, correct? 2 into 9 is divisible by 3, agreed? So what is remaining? What is remaining? 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1, correct? 2 into 9 is perfectly divisible. What is remaining? 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1. So if 2 plus 3, 5 is divisible by 3, then the entire thing is divisible by 3. Otherwise it's not. So is 2 plus 3 divisible by 3? No. That means 23 is also not divisible. I hope you are able to understand this. Hi Shubham, good evening. Hi Rajputana. Logic भी बता रहा हूँ मैं, सिर्फ ऐसे I'm not giving you the rules to just mug it up, but I'm giving you the logic behind it also. समझ रहे हो ना? So it's not necessary that you have to add it in the same order. आप किसी भी order में इनको add कर सकते हो. For example, if you take 1, 2, 3, 6, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, 12 divisible by 3. Yes, you can consider it like this also. 12 plus 36. 12 plus 36 is what? 48 divisible by 3. You can consider it 1, 2, 3 plus 6 also. 123 plus 6 is what? 129 divisible by 3. You can shuffle these digits also. I can consider 63 plus 12 also. 75 divisible by 3. Are you understanding? अब कैसे भी करके घुमा फिरा के कैसे भी ऐड कर सकते हो. At the end of the day, it's just the single digits that matter to us. Cool? Yes. So if I were to give you a question here, will you be able to answer it? First 100 natural numbers. First 100 natural numbers are written consequently to form another number. What will be the remainder when it is divided by 3? चलो फटाफट बताओ. Let's see who can answer this first. First 100 natural numbers are written consequently to form another number. What will be the remainder when it is divided by 3? So what does the question say? First 100 natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, so on, all the way till 9, 9, 1, 0, 0. This is the number. This number when divided by 3, what will be the remainder they are asking? Mansi says 1. Others? Quick. Toshi says 0. Achal says 1. Gaurav says 0. Anyone else? Vikas says 1. Okay. 1 0 1 0 1 1. Pratiksha says 1. All right. बाकी लोग? Think no. If I were to solve this, अगर मैं इसको स्टैंडर्ड मेथड में सॉल्व करता, दैट इज सिट एंड डिवाइड एवरीथिंग, आई नो इट विल टेक मी एजेस टू गेट द आंसर, राइट? सो instead I'll go with the divisibility rule. But what does the divisibility rule say? It says I have to add all the digits, plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 या plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 ऐसे करके plus 9 plus 9 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0 ऐसे करना है. But if I sit and do it like this, this will take me longer than the traditional method, right? इससे अच्छा तो मैं बैठ के डिवाइड ही कर लूँ उसको पूरा. Yes, this is going to take me ages. So what did I say? You can group the numbers however you want to. You can group the numbers however you want to. This will be very bad, right? Instead, group them however you want to. That is, group them as the natural numbers itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 के बाद instead of adding the digits 1 and 0, add 10 plus 11 plus 12 all the way till 100. ऐसे करने पर भी आंसर आएगा, बिकॉज वाई वी लुक्ड एट इट, राइट? 1 2 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6 is divisible by 3. 12 plus 3, 15 is divisible by 3. 1 plus 23, 24 is also divisible by 3. समझ में आ रहा है? आप कैसे भी इसको ग्रुप करके ऐड कर सकते हो. So what is this? 1 till 100 is nothing but sum of n natural terms, right? What is sum of n natural terms? N into n plus 1 by 2, correct? That is what? 100 into 101 by 2. Yes, which is how much? This is 50. So this is 5050. Now the number is 5050. I need to check if this is divisible by 3. How do I check that? 5050, if I add 50 plus 50, I get 100. That means if I add them, I get 1 plus 0 plus 0, that is 1. If this 1 wasn't there, if I had removed this 1, my number would have been divisible, correct? If I remove this 1 from this 50, let's say, what would I get? I would get 5049. So 50 plus 49, 99 is divisible by 3. Yes. So what is the remainder? Remainder when 5050 is divided by 3 is equal to 1. Understand? Yes guys, समझ में आ रहा है ना? The answer to this is what? 1. Cool. So everybody who said 1, correct answer. People who said 0, please check. Sorted? Yes. Chalo. So clear na? No issues with 100 now, 3 now. So 3 is done. What about multiples of 3? Sorry, powers of 3. 3 is done. Will this work for the powers of 3 as well? Definitely. Yes, this will also work for powers of 3. So 3 square. 3 का क्या था? Digital sum. Digital sum must be divisible by 3. Yes. Super bachal, very good. So 9 का क्या होगा? 9 is also 3 square, right? Same process. Digital sum divisible by 9. How about 27? Will it work for 27 or 27? Will it work for 27? For bigger numbers it will become a problem, right? For a number like 27, this might cause an issue. For example, if I take a number like 54, I know 54 is divisible by 27, but 5 plus 4 gives me 9 only. Is 9 divisible by 27? No, it is not, right? So that confusion comes into picture, right? So with bigger numbers you have to be careful. It will work there also, but provided you get a number greater than 27 as the sum. Yes, the sum must be greater than 27, then it will work. Cool. So with this we are done with 2 and 3 and their powers. Let's go for 5 now. What happens with 5? With 5 it is very simple. What's up with 5? Last digit should be either अचल, मैंने अभी एग्जाम्पल देके बताया था ना, 27 twice is 54. रूल काम करेगा बट छोटे नंबर्स में नहीं काम करेगा. अगर डिजिटल सम इज ग्रेटर देन 27 तो मतलब बनता है, वरना उससे कम हुआ तो नहीं मतलब बनेगा उससे कुछ भी. समझ रहे हो? So last digit must be either 0 or it should be 5. Yes. क्यों 0? You know 5 into any odd number का last term क्या होगा? 5. 5 once is 5, 5 thrice is 15, 5 times is 25 and so on. And 5 into any even number क्या होगा? It will end with a 0. तो अगर आपके कोई भी नंबर 0 से या 5 से end हो रहे हैं तो it is divisible by 5. Yes. What about 25? 25 का ऐसा कोई short logic है क्या 25 का? 25 का it becomes difficult because 25 में भी even if you multiply with odd terms it will give you a 5, even terms it will give you a 0, but फिर not all numbers that end with a 5 or a 0 is divisible by 25, right? So 25 में problem हो जाता है. बाकी you can divide the number twice by 5 and then still do it. Cool? 5 done. Now let's look at 7. Next prime number 7. What's up with 7? Anybody? Can anyone tell me the rule for 7? It's a little weird with 7. ध्यान से सुनो. So if you take any number, say 343, yes, take the last digit, double it and subtract it from the rest of it. तो इसका जो double होगा 3 twice is what? 6. Subtract 6 from the rest of it. 34 में से 6 को subtract करो. So 34 minus 6 is what? 28. If 28 is divisible by 7, then 343 will also be divisible by 7. Are you able to follow this? It's a little weird, not extremely useful, but sometimes it may be of some help. Yes, कभी कभी ये कुछ help कर जाता है, otherwise it becomes very difficult. Yes, take any number. So I'll give you an example. Yes. Let's take 8778. Quickly tell me, is 8778 divisible by 7 or not? Jaldi karo. 8778, is it divisible by 8 or not? Quickly try this. Sorry, not by 8, by 7. Is it divisible by 7 or not? Is 8778 divisible by 7 or not? Yeah, let's take a new page. Is 8778 divisible by 7? Yes, no. Don't use a calculator here, okay? Without a calculator, quickly tell me. Without using a calculator, quickly tell me. And guys, don't forget to hit like on the video, okay? Like the video, hit like on the video, guys. Sorry guys, मेरा chat load नहीं हो रहा है, तो I'm assuming you've done this. See, normally if you use the rule, कि हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? 8778 है, take the last digit, double it, you get 16, subtract it from 877. So 877 minus 16, you get what? 861. Yes. Again, take the last digit, double it, subtract it from the rest. So 861 minus what? 2. Yes, 861 minus 2 is what? 859. Yes. Are you getting it? It's not very useful if you go like this. Take the last number again, double it, you get 18, so you do 86 minus 2, not 861, 86, the remaining set, 84. So 84 we know is 12 times, so it will work out. Yes. Again, if you want to check, take the last number, double it, you get 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 is divisible by 7. Yes. So 84 is, 861 is, 8778 is. Yes. But how long is this process? It's very long, right? So let me tell you a quick shortcut here. Yes, this is something that you can use mentally also. So 8778 में से I can split this as 7000 and 1778, correct? Do you agree? If I split this like this, 7000 and 1778, I know 7000 is divisible by 7. Don't have to think about this. In 1778, further split it as 1400. You know 1400 is divisible. So what will be remaining? 378. Agreed? 1400 is divisible. Don't have to worry about it. In 378 again, you know that 350 is divisible. So what is remaining? 28. If 350 is divisible, you only have to check with 28. If 28 is also divisible, then 378 is divisible, 1778 is divisible, ultimately 8778 is divisible. Understood? This method is called splitting. This will be very useful when we deal with remainder theorem. When we deal with remainder theorem, the splitting method will become very, very useful. तो अभी से practice कर लो इसको, right? Start practicing it from now itself. Got it? Yes. Another question. Let's do one more. Then we'll move on. Okay. 7 के लिए एक और करते. Quickly tell me, is 59807 divisible by 7? Quick. जल्दी करो. 59807 divisible by 7 or not? Quick. Let's see who gives the answer first. Don't use the calculator. Calculator मत use करना. Mansi says no. How about others? Nayan says no. Gaurav says no. Achal says no. Another Gaurav also says no. Very good. So would you rather do it like this? Take the last digit double, subtract it from the rest. It's a long process, right? Instead, what do? Split it. Yes, you know 56,000 is divisible. So if I remove 56,000, what will be left? 3,807. In 3,807, I know that 3,500 can be removed, remaining 307. In 307, you know that you can remove 280, remaining what? 27. Is 280 is divisible? Yes. 35 is divisible. 56,000 is divisible. Is 27 divisible? No. 24 is 21 is 28 is 27 is not. So this is also. This way you can easily find the remainder also. So when I divide 27 by 7, what will be the remainder? Remainder is 6, correct? 21 is divisible, so remaining 6. So here also, what will be the remainder? When 59807 is divisible by 7, divided by 7, what will be the remainder? Same, 6. Getting it? So by splitting, you'd be able to know more about the number, right? So that's with 7. If you want to go by its rule, then it is what? Rest of the number minus units digit ka double. Yes, rest of the numbers minus units digit ka double. Cool? Yeah, that's with 7. Now what's our next prime number? 11. Let's go with 11 now. What's the rule with 11? Very interesting rule we have for 11. Alternate numbers. Yes, you take the alternate numbers and you find the sum of, use the sum of the alternate numbers to get their difference. If the difference is divisible by 11, then it is. Yes, let's take a very simple example. 121. Yeah, we know 121 is 11 square, right? So take the odd position, add all the odd numbers, nahi, odd position. So 1 plus 1 odd position का क्या है sum? 1 plus 1 2. Even position का क्या है sum? 2. The difference between them should either be 0 or it should be 11. Yes, difference should either be 0 or it should be 11. If it is 0, then it is divisible. If it is not, then not. Are you able to understand this? Yes or no, guys? So let's take an example. Is the number 10835 divisible by 11? Is 10,835 divisible by 11? Quickly check and tell me. Don't use calculator, huh? Please don't use calculator. Without the calculator, test this. Divisible? Beautiful. So what do? First take all the odd numbers. Odd numbers nahi, odd position. 1, 3, 5, right? First digit, third digit, fifth digit. Add them up. 1 plus 8 plus 5 is what? 14. Now take the even numbers. Even positions mein kya hai? In even position you have 0 plus 3. So 0 plus 3 is 3. Take the difference between them, 11. The difference is what? 11. That is divisible by 11. So this entire number is divisible by 11. Got it? Yes. Nice, no? Yeah. So with 11, what do you take? Difference, or let me write it like this. Sum of all odd terms, odd digits minus all even digits should be equal to 0 or 11. Yes. Done. Now the next term is 13. 13 works very similar to 7. 13 and 7 very similar. Yes, in 13 what do? In 7 you do rest minus double of unit. In 13 you do rest plus 4 times the unit. Yes, for example, we have some more example problems. Don't worry, this is only to get ourselves started. Okay, so 13 ka kya hai scene? If I take a number like 169, I know 169 is 13 square, right? So take the last digit 9, quadruple it, not double it, quadruple it. So what is it? 36. Add it with the rest of the numbers. Not subtract like 7 में subtract कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे add कर रहे हैं. So 36 plus 16 is what? 52. Is 52 divisible by 13? Yes, 4 times. Yeah, you can also do it like this. Take 2, multiply it with 4, you get 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Divisible? Yes. So 52 is also divisible. 169 is also divisible. Cool. But again, the biggest question is, for a number like 13, is it the wisest idea for me to go for it? It's not. So again here, what will be wise? Splitting. Yes, split it into numbers that you know. Even if you do like 5-6 times, it's okay. No harm there. Yes. Now there are other prime numbers also, 17, 19, but the problem with them is what? They become too cocky. Just like this, they become too difficult, or they become too adamant not being able to solve them. Yeah. So with this, we are done with prime numbers and powers of primes. Okay. Now let's go for something called co-primes. What do you mean by co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers are numbers that are a product of, co-prime numbers are numbers that have no common factor. HCF is always equal to 1. Yes, we'll talk more about co-prime numbers later, but for now let's look at this. So if I take 6, I know 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Yes, so if a number is divisible by 2 and by 3, what does it mean? If the last digit is even and if the sum of digits is divisible by 3, then what do I know? The number will be divisible by 6. Yes, for example, 4, 3 here, look at this. Is this number divisible by 6? Yes, it is. Why? Last number is divisible by 2. Check. Is the number divisible by 3? 4 plus 3, 7. 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 0, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. Yes. So it is divisible by 6 also. Right? Divisible by 2 and 3. Not or. It should be divisible by 2 also and 3 also. Hi Gagan. Gagan, I might have missed it because of the holiday. Can you send it again? I'll respond to it, don't worry. Yes. Can you tell me for 10 now? 10, what will be the rules? Dhruv, send me a message on Telegram. I'll help you out, buddy. Don't worry. Ha guys, 10 batao, 10. What will be the rule for 10? Quick. Yes, the last digit should be 0. Yes, for 10 the last digit should be 0, because what's the rule? For 10 the number should be divisible by 2 as well as by 5, correct? If a number is divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 5, what do I get? It is divisible by 10. Yes, because 2 5 times is 10, correct? Now the numbers that will end with when it's divisible by 2 is what? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. With 5 it is what? 0 and 5. So 5 तो common नहीं हुआ, common क्या हुआ? सिर्फ 0. That's why last digit must be equal to 0. Yes. How about 12 now? Quickly tell me. 12. What will be the rule for 12? Anyone? 12 का क्या rule होगा? 6 and 2. Am I right? If a number is divisible by 6 and by 2, it should be divisible by 12, है ना? Yes. Like a number like 30. 30 is divisible by 6? Yes. 30 is divisible by 2? Yes. Is 30 divisible by 12? No. Why not? Why isn't 30 divisible by 12? It should be, no? Technically 6 से भी divisible है, 2 से भी divisible है. Guys, listen to me carefully. Listen to this carefully. When you look at 6, 6 itself is a multiple of 2. That means any number that is divisible by 6 by default has to be divisible by 2. क्योंकि 6 खुद ही क्या है? 3 into 2. समझ रहे हो? 6 itself is 3 into 2 भाई, के 2 से already divisible है. Take any number, it will be divisible by 2 if it is divisible by 6. So what's the point checking it again? है ना? And with this example it's clear it's not 6 into 2. That is why you go for co-primes. Co-primes are numbers that do not have anything in common, not 6 and 2, instead 3 and 4. Yes, 3 का कोई भी मल्टीपल, सॉरी 3 का कोई भी फैक्टर 4 में है? नहीं है. 4 का कोई भी फैक्टर 3 में है? नहीं. Somebody said 2 and 3. प्रतीक्षा again 2 and 3 अगर करोगे तो वो 6 का मल्टीपल बताएगा. Not all multiples of 6 are divisible by 12 ना. जैसे 18 हुआ, 18 is not divisible by 12, right? So it should be divisible by 3 and by 4. I hope you are able to understand this. यार है क्या समझ में? For example, a number like 282. Sorry. 288. Yes, a number like 288 will be divisible by 12. Why? Because it is divisible by 3. 16 plus 2, 18, divisible by 3. It is also divisible by 4. 88, last two digits, by 4. Got it? So divisible by 3 and by 4. Yeah. Quickly tell me for 14. Jaldi, 14. Quick guys, how about 14? जल्दी 14 का बोलो. Beautiful. 14 is what? It should be divisible by 2 and by 7. If you can write it in terms of 2 prime numbers, even better. 2 prime numbers, 2 into 7, एकदम strong. Yes. Same way 15 का. How about 15? 3 and 5. Beautiful. Now quickly tell me for 18 also. 18 का बोलो. 18, 6 and 3, Will 6 and 3 work for 18? Will 6 and 3 work for 18? No. Why? Because 6 itself is a multiple of 3. What will we prove here? Right? So we take co-primes. 2 and 9. Nothing common in between 2 and 9. Except for 1. Yes. So ऐसे करके कोई भी number का you can find out. Let's say if you want to check if a number is divisible by 20. What will you do? 20 का 10 and 2. Quickly tell me 20 का क्या होगा? How do you check if a number is divisible by 20? So just split them into co-primes. Once you split them into co-primes, it becomes so much simple, right? 60 का क्या होगा? 4 into 3 into 5, correct? Yes or no? So you check for 3 into 4 into 5. 3 into 4 is nothing but 12. तो 12 का check कर लो, 5 का check कर लो, 60 से हो जाएगा. Not 6 and 10. 6 and 10 में नहीं होगा क्योंकि there will be numbers that are divisible by 10 but not divisible by divisible by 10 and by 6 but not by 60. For example 30. Yes. Chalo, example time. Enough theory for entire day. Quickly, first example is here. Try this out. So एक काम करो, चलो let's do a couple questions. Let's do 1, 3 and 5. बाकी सारे homework. This is your homework. This is homework. This is homework. This is homework. Chalo. So what do we have to do here? Take the number on the first column, 15. All you have to do is check which of these numbers can divide 15. Yes. Can 2 divide 15? No. Can 3 divide 15? Yes. 4? No. 5? Yes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 11? No. Yes. Do it for 36 now. 36 का करो जल्दी. Quickly do it for 36. Very good. Achal, very good. Gaurav, Mansi, Nayan, Pratiksha. Superb guys. Very nice. Guys, if you haven't hit like on this video, go ahead and do that, okay? Yeah. How about 36? 2, 3, 6 and 9. 4 से नहीं होगा अचल, 4 से तो what do you do? 2, yes. Last number is even. 6, 2 से होगा. 3, yes. 3 plus 6, 9, yes. 4 से होगा, yes. 36 is 4 into 9, yes. 5 से होगा, last digit is 5 or 0, no. 6 से होगा, yes. It is divisible by 2 and by 3. 2 से भी है, 3 से भी है, तो 6 से by default होगा. 7, no. 35 is divisible. Split करूंगा मैं, डबल करके subtract नहीं, split करूंगा. 8, no. 8 के लिए last 3 digits should be divisible. We don't have a third digit, I understand. But again, 36 is not divisible by, it is divisible by 4, but it gives you an odd number. 4 into 9. तो 8 का कोई गुंजारिश नहीं है. And there is 9 also, not 11. 33, 44, not 36. Understood? So 2, 3, 4, 6 and 9. Yes. Let's quickly try 4, 5, 1, 8 now. जल्दी करो. 4, 5, 1, 8. Try out 4, 5, 1 and 8. Quick. Four, 5, 1 and 8. So what do you know about 4, 5, 1, 8? One thing is it ends with an 8. Divisible by 2? Yes. How about 3? 9 plus 9, 18. Divisible by 3. Is last 2 digits 18 divisible by 4? No. Divisible by 5? No. Is it divisible by 2 and 3? Yes. So 6 also? Yes. How about 7? How do you check for 7? 4, 5, 1, 8. Remove of 4200. What will be left? You will be left with 318. In 318, remove 280. What will you be left with? You will be left with 280. Remove 280. Yes. What will be left with? 38. Correct? Is 38 divisible by 7? No, so this is not. If it is not divisible by 4, by default it is not divisible by 8 also. If it's not divisible by 4, then not divisible by 8. Divisible by 3, yes. Check for 9. How do you check for 9? 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is divisible by 9? Yes. How about 11? 5 minus 13. 5 minus 13 is what? 8, not by 11. So 2, 3, 6 and 9. Got it? Everybody? Yeah, the other numbers are for you to try. 27, 268, 3619 and 45,000. Try that at home, okay? Chalo, try the next question, quick. अरे भैया जी, रुको, मैं कल प्लास्टिक सर्जरी कराता, एक और अंगूठा लगा के आऊंगा, मैं भी टडन 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 करूंगा. Mansi says x is 2. Anyone else? According to Mansi, the value of x is 2. Any other answers? Nayan says 2. Apurva, I don't understand. Apurva, your answer. Gaurav says 2. Anamika says 2. Very good. So what's the scene here? This given number should be divisible by 33. That means our number must be divisible by 11 and it should be divisible by 3. Yes. So first let's check for 3. Easy to do it, right? With 3. Just add and check. So what do we have? 3, 6, 4, 1, 2, x. So 3, 6, 9. 9 plus 7. What do you get? 16, right? So this entire thing is 7. Agreed? If you add this off, 9, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is 16 plus x, that is 1 plus 6 plus x, that is 7 plus x. What are the possible values x can take? 7 is not divisible by 3. I know 7 is not divisible by 3. What should I add to 7 to make it divisible by 3? I can add 2, 7 plus 2, 5, 9, divisible by 3. I can add 5, 7 plus 5, 12, divisible by 3. I can add 8, 7 plus 8, 15, divisible by 3. Anything more, if I add 11 to it, I can't add 11 because x is a single digit number, right? So any one of these could be my answers, 2, 5 or 8. Yes. The next thing to check would be what? With 11. So what do I do? Take the even odd positions. 3, 4, 2. That is 7 plus 2, 9. Yes. Minus 6, 1, x. That is 7 plus x. This should either be equal to 0 or it should be equal to 11. Yes. If this is equal to 0, if I take this equal to 0, what will I get? I'll get 9 minus 7 minus x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. Yes, one thing common, 2 and 2, 2 could be our answer. Let's check for 11 also. In case of 11, what will happen? You know 9 minus whatever won't give you 11, so it has to be the other way around, opposite. Yes, that is what? 7 plus x minus 9 should be 11. Yes, 7 plus x minus 9 should be 11 or x minus 2 should be 11, correct? X minus 2 should be 11 or x will be equal to 13. Can x be equal to 13? X can't be 13, right? X is a single digit number. So x can't be 13. Only thing common between 3 and 11 is what? X being equal to 2. So what is your value of x? Cool. Understood everyone? Everyone who understood this, please hit like on this video and we'll go to the next question. Quickly try this. This is a word problem. Please read it carefully before moving ahead. Okay, this is a word problem. ध्यान से पढ़ो इसको. Mansi says C. How about others? Saying 87,191 rings are manufactured, and there are different designs. There are different designs, but equal number of rings in each design. Yes, equal number of rings in each design. They're asking how many designs of rings could the company have made? Could. Possible. So whenever you have questions that have could or the word possible, then you always go with reverse engineering, because there could be more than one answers. For this question there could be more than one answer. So whenever you have could, possible, probable, these words, always go for reverse engineering. Very good. Mansi, Nayan, Nalin, all three say 19. How about others? Achal says C. I'll give you a hint. So 87,191 is nothing but, this is nothing but total number of designs into number of rings in each design. Total number of designs into number of designs in number of rings in each design. Since they are equal, you directly multiply, correct? So if I say there are 3 designs and there are 2 rings in each design, then the total number of rings would be what? 3 into 2, 6, correct? Same logic. So they're asking how many designs could the company have made, right? How many designs? So whatever is this number should be a factor of 87,191, correct? It should divide 87,191. Agreed? Does 7 divide 87,191? So if this question came in CAT, it won't. If it came in CAT, you have a calculator, quickly divide and check. Yes. So what do you do here? 87,191, you can remove 84,000 from here, because 84,000 is divisible by 84 is divisible by 7, so 84,000 will also be divisible by 7. What will you be left with? 3191. Out of 3191, remove 2,800. What will be left? If you remove 2,800, you will be left with 391. Again, from 391 you can remove 350. What will be left? 41. Is 41 divisible? No. So is 87191? No. 7 is out of the question. How about 9? If a number should be divisible by 9, it should be divisible by 3 at least first. So let's check with 3. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 11, 26. Divisible? No. So if the number is not divisible by 3, will it be divisible by 69 also? We know 69 is what? 69 is what? 23 into 3, correct? So if a number is divisible by 3, it should be divisible by 69 also. At least give it a thought, right? So this is also not divisible by 3. Only thing left is what? 19. That's it. Cool? Achal, ऐसे करोगे. Got it? You go by reverse engineering, check what will not be your answer. Ultimately, you will get what could be your answer. Yes. So 19 is your answer. Yeah. If you want, you can divide also by splitting. Divided by splitting. Yes. 87,000 approximately, right? If you want to split it, you can remove off yeah, 19 4 times, so it's about 776. So 76,000 remove, you will be left with 11,191. from there remove 1900, ऐसे करके you can do it. ठीक है, no issues अच्छा, correct मानसी. चलो go try this question now. No issues अच्छा, कोई भी डाउट हो पूछो, don't worry about it. Yeah, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 5 or 9? This is a long question, थोड़ा सा time consuming है. Go ahead, think about it and then answer. Okay, ऐसे ही मत आंसर करना, सोच समझ के करना. Hi Mehul. Vikas says 180. Vikas, numbers divisible by 5 or 9? 5 or 9? हाँ guys, others? Anyone answer? Gaurav says B, 280. Mansi says B, 280. Alok says D, 180. Okay, चलो मैं क्वेश्चन का मतलब समझा देता हूँ. If there is a number n, it should either be, ये 5 से divisible हो सकता है. It can be divisible by 9 also. Yes. But look at this. What is the confusion? If there is a number that is divisible by 5, if there is a number that is divisible by 9, there will also be a number that will be divisible by both 5 and 9. तो उनको आप 2 बार गिन रहे हो. Yes or no? Yes. So this needs to be eliminated. 2 बार आप गिन रहे हो, 1 बार इसको एलिमिनेट करना है. Yeah. So first let's find 5 multiples. Multiples of 5. Starting with what? Smallest 3-digit number क्या है? 100. 100, 105 ऐसे करके. Greatest will be how much? Greatest is 1000 but it becomes 4 digit, तो उससे छोटा 995. Yes. How do you calculate कितने numbers होते हैं? Take the last number, first number, subtract, divide by 5 and add 1 to it. Correct? इसमें क्या करोगे आप? Take the last number 995 to 100. कितने होंगे यहाँ पे? यहाँ से यहाँ का कितना डिफरेंस है? there's a difference of 895. Yes, but these are all in intervals of 5, so 895 by 5. समझ रहे हो, ये सारे क्या है, intervals of 5. तो 895 by 5 is what, 179. But in this you eliminated 100, है ना, 100 को आपने निकाल दिया, so you add that 100 again, मतलब 100 का एक बार, right? So totally 180 are multiples of 5, correct? Same way can you do it for 9? Get the first number, last number, and then find the difference, divide by 9, you will get it, है ना? So first number क्या होगा, 9 से 100, no, 101, sum is 2, so I want sum to be 9, which is 108, correct? 1 plus 0 plus 9, 8 is 9. So first number is 108. ऐसे करके what will be the last number? 1000 from 1000, if I remove 1, it is 999. Yes, 108 to 999. This is what we have to find. So what do you do? Find the difference. What is the difference? 801, correct? 891. Yeah, so 891 divided by 9 is how much? 999. 99 plus 1. 100 numbers that are divisible by 9. Multiples of 9. Yes, but what do we have to eliminate here? Please listen to this part carefully, very important guys. What do we have to eliminate? This common part, क्योंकि दो बार हो गए. अभी a number like 125 क्या, 135, correct? If you take 135, ये इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है. Yes, 135 is here also, 135 is here also. तो ये तो दो बार काउंट हो गया. Yes or no? This got counted twice. So what do I have to do? I have to eliminate it, right? So what do I have to eliminate? Eliminate multiples of both 9 and 5, that is multiples of 45. समझ रहे हो? You have to eliminate multiples of 45. Yes. What's the smallest number? 45 twice is 90, 45 thrice is 135. So smallest number is 135. Yes. What will be the largest number? Largest number, anyone? You can go with 1000 itself. 22 into 45, that is 990. 999 में से एक निकालो, 990 0 है, मतलब 5 से भी divisible है, 9 से भी divisible, right? So now you have to find this difference. So 990 minus 135 is 855. 855 by 45 is how much? 19 plus 1, क्योंकि first term eliminate कर दिया था आपने, है ना? So 20. Now our final answer is going to be what? 180 plus 100 minus 20. क्यों minus 20? Because you've included it twice. 180 में भी ये 20 है, 100 में भी ये 20 है, हमने वो सिर्फ एक बार लेने का, इसलिए. So this is how much? 280 minus 20, 260. So 260 is the right answer. 280 is a trap. Cool. How many of you understood this? Say yes if you've understood this, guys. ये अगर समझ में आया तो हाँ बोलो. Beautiful, super. So guys, if you haven't hit like on this video already, कर लो. ये आज का homework है. This is your homework. Take a screenshot of this. Nayan, with PNC you can do it, but it will become complicated. When you go with 45, what will you do? 9 के लिए भी मुश्किल है. With 9 also it is difficult only because then you'll have to take sum of 3 numbers divisible by 9. Yes, start with 108, then you have to go with 117, है ना, मुश्किल हो जाता है ऐसे. So PNC is doable, but it doesn't make it simpler. It makes it more complex. It's easier doing it by sequence and series. Yeah. Quickly guys, take a screenshot of this. With this, we are done with today's session on divisibility rules. Your next Unacademy combat will be upcoming Sunday. This was previous year ka. Upcoming Sunday ko hai next at 12 PM. Don't forget to use Surana live. Yes, and there are test series going on, T20 test series every Monday to Saturday, 7 to 7:30 PM. You can enroll into this by downloading Unacademy's learning app. Yeah, use the code Surana live when you register. While registering. Cool. Nayan, हाँ geometry करवा दिया भाई. Geometry is done. You can take the subscription of Plus or Iconic price hike होने वाला है. Price hike tonight is the last date. If you haven't already taken the subscription, please go ahead and take it. You can get these prizes only for tonight. कल से नए prizes हैं. Yeah. Use my referral code Surana Live, get your 10% discount. If you miss out tonight, and from tomorrow you will have a higher price. Yes. And take the Iconic subscription also. Again, use my referral code Surana Live for your 10% discount. There's no cost EMI options available. Thank you very much for being a part of this session, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow at 3 PM. Tomorrow 3 PM we'll be doing coordinate geometry. 8 PM we'll be moving on. We'll be doing number system ka lecture 4. Yeah. So thank you very much. Have a great night ahead. See you tomorrow. Keep yourself safe and happy. Keep learning and let's crack it.